Good morning. Today is Friday, which means lots of packaging today. I'll probably be packaging all day. I'm going to get day 5 uploaded and get started. I have lots of charms over here that I need to take off of the lines, and I have a few more that need glazed, and yeah, just standard Friday. So I just got done taking these off of the paper clips, and now I need to sort them into new designs and designs that people ordered that need to go out today. And then I will be photographing the new designs and shipping out the ones that are ready to go. I just posted the pictures to Instagram. I love them so much. My favorite, of course, is the sugar plums. They are my absolute favorite to make every year. I was a little bummed that I didn't get to get nutcrackers out at the same time as them. I did make a new nutcracker design this year. It's a little bit smaller than last year, but I ran out of time, so I'm gonna try to get that as my priority new design next week. I have been packaging, but I ran out of tea. I run out of tea all the time. I send a package of tea, a little packet of tea in every order, and without fail, I forget to get more tea every week. So I'm off to get tea, and I'm probably just gonna go ahead and pick Will up because it's getting close to 11, and that's when he gets out of school today. I am working on a 12-day Advent for a very, very sweet friend of mine. Actually, I have 2, but one's already taped up, so I couldn't show you, but the packaging is the same. So I'm gonna get these out along with all your orders, and then I'm going to relax, take some much needed break time.
the burnt offering, my son. Abraham answered, and they both walked on together. When they arrived at the place where God...
Hold it down, buddy. Thank you.
A road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the second day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 2 fuzzy gloves and a road trip to the sea. Groovy.
I am watching Vlogmas and knitting on Rory's mittens. I stitched her name into her mittens. I wanted to make sure that if a stray mitten got lost on the playground or something, I don't think there are any other Rorys at our school. They are both really good about bringing home their hand knits. Rory is so attached to her mittens. Like she just loves them. I don't know. She really loves them. So I'm not worried about her losing these, but I wanted to stitch her name into them anyway. I thought it might be cute one day whenever they inherit their hand knits from their childhood, that if she had a daughter, that Mama's name was stitched into her mittens. I don't know if that's silly, but that's what I'm picturing. Will brought this home from school today. It is an elf catcher, and in the bottom are paper clips, because the paper clips will snag the elf shoes and he'll get stuck. So it's gonna stay here on the shelf next to the fallen down nativity scene, which I need to fix. Rory plays with it throughout the day to catch an elf, I guess.